Want to build your own version of Zoom or Google Meet in just 10 minutes? In this video, I will show you step by step how to create a one-to-one or one-to-many video chat app using just HTML, CSS and JavaScript powered by ZEGOCLOUD. You will get features like joining rooms, switching layouts, and even turning video or audio on and off. Hi there, I am Sharat Chandar. Welcome back to Code Hunter Sharat. Here I teach you how to build real-time apps with JavaScript. If you are looking to create video chat apps, live streaming platforms, or add video features to your projects, you are in the right place. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss upcoming tutorials. I have noticed many of you are watching without subscribing. So if you hit that button, it really motivates me to keep creating more new videos for you. Before we dive in, let me quickly tell you about ZegoCloud. It's a platform that makes adding real-time features like voice, video and chat super easy. So whether you want one-to-one calls, group calls or even live streaming, ZegoCloud has you covered. What I really like is that you get two options. You can either use their pre-built UI kits to set things up fast or go deeper with their SDKs if you want more customization. And the cool part is not just the basics. You also get screen sharing, virtual backgrounds, cloud recording, even video beautifications. Plus, it keeps latency super low, which is a big deal for real-time apps. The best part is this is not some experimental tool. Thousands of companies around the world already using it. So you know it's reliable. Alright, now that you know what powers our app, let's get into building it. Before we start coding, let's quickly go over the setup and prerequisites. First, you should have a basic understanding of HTML, CSS and JavaScript. Don't worry, nothing advanced, just the basics. Second, you will need a code editor. I will be using Visual Studio Code, but you can use whichever you like. Third, make sure you have a modern web browser like Chrome or Edge, since we will be testing our app there. And finally, you need a free ZegoCloud account. Just head over to ZegoCloud.com. Now, if you feel your JavaScript fundamentals need a quick refresher, I have got you covered. Check out my 52 weeks of 52 JavaScript project playlist where I break things step by step to make it super easy to follow along. Once you have these things ready, you are good to go. Let's jump into the setup. First, go to the ZegoCloud.com and create a free account. Here we can create with the Google account or we can manually enter the details. Once you logged in, the dashboard look like this and click on create project. While clicking the project, we'll get multiple use cases. In this, we can see voice and video call and video conference, live streaming and much more. In our upcoming videos, we are going to create in-app chat as well. So for this video, we need to create voice and video call and click next. It will ask to project name. For the project name, I will use video chat app. And as I said, we have a two options. One is UI pre-built kits or SDKs. For this video, I need to create this within 10 minutes with less than 10 lines. So for that, I will start with UI kits. Once you click, the project will create. It will take some time. Our app is created. We have created with video call as the scenario and we need to choose the web as an platform for the JavaScript. Once we click, we'll get the basic configuration of one-on-one call or group call. So here we have an option to select one-on-one or group call. Based on this, we can enable microphones or camera based on our selection. And then screen sharing, we can enable or we can disable. We can use the text chat or user list, and then grid of layout. So here we have the advanced configuration. We need to enable microphone on camera while joining by the user. I will use everything as an default, and I will click save and start to integrate. Once your project is created, you will get the app look like this. And I need to get the configuration file and integrate. Once we click the configuration, you will get an AppID and ServerSecret. Make sure to copy this when you set up our video chat app. And here we have an option to download your customized app. So one more option, we have a one-click deployment. Once we click this, it will take us to Vercel. So from here we can directly deploy our app. So in our upcoming videos, we can see is now we need to download this HTML file. And in the below, we have the configuration file, what we have selected as an config. Once the file downloads, I will open through Visual Studio Code. So here we can see the head width style of 100 width and height. So instead of that, I will change to 96. And then below we have a script of ZEGOCLOUD API. With the help of this pre-built UI kit, will get all the styles and features. And here we have the get URL params. With this param, we are creating the shareable link. They are generating the room ID with get URL params with the help of Windows location and with the dynamic room ID. And then user ID, also this dynamic user ID with math.random. We covered many times in our game playlist. We are using the username as a static with this user ID, and we need to place the app ID and then server secret to run up this video. And then we have this kit token they are generating from the ZegoCloud pre-built. So for that we need to pass app ID, server secret, room ID, user ID, and then username. So based on that, they are creating the room as an personal link with the root of the body. And as we see already, these params in the dashboard, turn on microphones, turn on camera, and then we have the maximum users, and this is the layout for auto, and then show text chat. Everything they have pre-built. So now I will run this HTML into the Chrome. For the downloads, I will go and click this web UI kit. So here, once we open the project, it will automatically ask for permissions of mic and then camera. And once we allow, we can enable or disable the camera and then microphones. So and here we have a option to share the personal link. I have copied this personal link and I'm joining into the room. So here I have joined as an one user, and I have the chat options as well. So again, with the help of same URL with the room ID, I am joining to the same room. If I join here, we can see the two user with my username and the new username. So we have this group conference call. So I'm creating 3 users. So in this, we can see all the 3 users in the list as well. In this in-app chat, if we type hello, and it will go to all the users. The user 5109 has sent this message, and other users, they get with the notification of red color. So they can also read this 5109 and they can also respond with hello, and that will go to the user of others. So here we can see the username with their messages, and we have an option to share the screen as well. So we can share the selected screen tab based on the preference. And even we have an option to enable or disable audio and then video, and even layout switching like Zoom or Google Cloud Meet. And that's it. We just build a video chat app in under 10 minutes. And that's how you can build your own Zoom style using ZegoCloud. I hope this tutorial inspired you to try it out yourself. If you enjoyed this, don't forget to subscribe. It really motivates me to keep creating new videos for you. Also drop a comment on what features you would like me to add next. I would love to hear your ideas. Until next time, keep coding and keep learning. Don't forget to subscribe and check out my playlist for more tutorials. Happy coding!